gonna cook for ourselves tonight. So we're all at the grocery store.
Being moms.
Cute. We got all our food. Now we have to go back and cook it. I'm so hungry. So cutting.
Wait, yeah, are they good? I think that might be too much. We also need butter.
It's our last day in Auckland and we did a bus tour this morning.
We're eating this bagel and it's so good. Okay.
And then we're going to the beach. It's our last day in Auckland and everyone flew out this morning and I'm so sad. So I've kind of had the day to myself. I went and just got Thai food and we're leaving for the airport in about an hour. So I'm gonna go back to the hotel and eat and charge up my phone and everything. And then we get on the plane for a million hours of flying. But it's not as bad as Costa Rica to Thailand, so I have hope. But it's so pretty out and